And I think it's important to take breaks, especially when you're working from home, and to step away from your computer and just do the things that bring you joy. Good morning. Welcome to another day in my life from home. This is quarantine day, I don't know how many, but this is my life and my routine at home. So I am working from home. Today is Thursday. Today's Thursday. Yeah, I think today's Thursday. It's hard to tell what day it is anymore. I am still working from home. I feel really lucky that I can work from home. So I've just kind of made some adjustments to work with my team, but things have been moving on kind of as usual. We've obviously been adjusting to this environment and adjusting our work to tailor to that, but for the most part, it's been pretty good. I feel lucky. So I already got up and I washed my face and brushed my teeth. I've been doing that as soon as I wake up. It, one, wakes me up, and I've been using it to like bookend my day and kind of kickstart. That's my signal to me that, okay, it's ready to get ready and start working. Now I'm gonna get changed, and I've also been really good at that every day, is getting up and changing out of the clothes that I slept in. And even if it's just putting on comfy clothes again, which I do, it really helps to signal to me that like a new day has started. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Changing from this to this. So I just kind of fixed my hair in a ponytail. Didn't even brush it. And then I'm wearing this t-shirt from Dynamite. I thought it was cute. And this like bralette, because not wearing real bras in quarantine. And then I'm wearing these leggings that are like a plum color from Aritzia. They're from the TNA brand. Socks, and my Adidas slides. I have been trying to wear like shoes, so my Adidas slippers, in the condo, because I found that the first couple days my back was hurting, and I could attribute that to a few things. I think my chair is not great. But the second thing is, I feel like because I was always walking barefoot, I did that for a full week, like just walking on my hard floor. So I felt like maybe that had something to do with why my back was hurting. So I've been wearing my slippers inside to kind of, because they have like an arch support a bit. So I figured that was better than being barefoot all the time. Now I'm just gonna kind of pick up my room from just getting changed and then make my bed, because being home all day, I like to kind of see things tidy. So I've been keeping this place a lot more cleaner than I normally do, or a lot more tidy. So I'm just gonna quickly make my bed. Such a good feeling. Now I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna get some water, make some coffee, and just kind of tidy up a bit, like unload the dishwasher, reload the dishwasher before my first conference call. All right, got my banana muffin, homemade. I made them the other day, and a banana. My coffee, my phone. I'm missing my AirPods. They're charging over there. I need to get them. It is 9:56. My conference call this morning is at 10. My team is doing a daily meeting, so it's usually at 10. Sometimes it's been shifted around for, you know, scheduling, but we meet every morning at 10 a.m. just to kind of touch base and give any updates. It's been a really good way for the team to be connected or feel connected. So the trick is to log on right now at 9:57 to the conference line, or else you can't get through for like 8 minutes, and it's so annoying. So gotta log on now. AirPods are key for conference calls. Hey, morning, it's Rachel. I'm good, how are you? All right, it probably looks like I've been sitting in the same spot, but I have been kind of moving around. The beauty of taking conference calls at home. I had 2 calls just now, so that was really good. And during my second call, I was just kind of listening in, not speaking as much. So I was actually plucking my eyebrows while the call was going on, because those were a mess. And I don't know, just like when you look in the mirror, you wanna feel good about yourself. So I did that while I was on my call, just because like I said, the second call was not as critical for me to like speak, but I was just kind of listening for updates. So I was multitasking. Now I have a few things to do. I have about 2 hours before my next call, but I have a document that I need to update. So I need to do that because then I'm reviewing it at my 1 o'clock call. So I'm gonna work on that. And because I kind of ate a late breakfast, kind of had my muffin. Actually, I didn't have my banana yet, so maybe I'll eat that now. Probably won't eat lunch till later, so I'm just gonna kind of work through the next couple hours, prepare for my meeting, and then see where the day takes me. Well, my day has flown by. It is now 2:30 almost, and I haven't even had lunch yet. So I'm gonna make something, trying to be quick because I have another meeting at 3:30 and I wanna do a little bit of prep, but my meeting that I had at 1 went way over time because it was just to connect with my leadership team, and there was some things that I was getting some feedback on. But I've just been having the worst luck with technology. Like my computer was not, anyways, I don't even want to complain about it, but just like connection issues, and I couldn't send over files, and anyways, we made it work, but it was 1, embarrassing, and 2, not fun, because the whole time while we were working through it, like we were still, you know, talking, but in the background I was trying to like reboot my computer and doing all of these like restarting things, but it wasn't working. So anyways, I shut down my computer. I'm gonna have lunch, and then hopefully when I come back to it, it will work. But this is not good. Like I've been good for the last 10 days working from home and not having any issues, and then today there's issues. Trying to be positive. So I have this jar of soup that my mom made me, and I need to use it. So I'm going to boil some water, put in the noodle, and then I put this in at the end once the like noodle is already cooked, and then this heats up, and then it's warm soup. In here there's chicken, there's little meatballs, there's carrots, celery, and it's delicious. So really excited. Probably will snack on some hummus and crackers in the meantime because I'm starving, and just kind of, I need a break from my computer and working right now. I'm gonna have lunch and then quickly prep for my meeting at 3. Soup is ready. Time to have a little break and then back to working from home. Last thing before I get back to work is taking my vitamins. I usually take 2 of these every day, and I usually take 1 of these, but I've bumped it up to 2 during this time because this is supporting a healthy immune system because it's vitamin C. And I like chewable vitamins. These are gummy vitamins and these are chewable. I just find that they're easier for me to take and they taste better. But I'm not a doctor, not recommending anything, just telling you what I do. I'm kind of done my work day for now. My meetings are over. It's now 4 o'clock and I have some more stuff to do later, but I just need to take a break and just step away from my computer. My nails have been bugging me all day because, or all week really. I've been meaning to redo them, but they're long, but they're breaking, and I've been picking at them because I'm like on conference calls all day, and I've been washing my hands a lot, so my hands are dry, and I've been putting moisturizer in, then it gets stuck underneath my nails because they're so long. They're not like too long, but they're kind of long. So I'm gonna take off my polish now and just trim them down and clean them up. Like one of them is broken, and every time I touch my hair, it like gets hooked in my hair. So I'm gonna sit down and do my nails for a bit. And I think it's important to take breaks, especially when you're working from home, and to step away from your computer and just do the things that bring you joy, because I feel like the days are kind of blurring together, the hours are blurring together, there's no clear work day, work night, especially because I didn't really explain this, but in my job, we have like network restriction hours that certain people can only be on the network. It's just a precaution to ensure that it doesn't slow down too much and people can actually get work done, especially if their job is super critical. My network hours have been restricted, so I can't be logged online. I can do things offline, but I can't be logged online all day. So I have been doing work in the evening because that's when I have access to the network. So it's kind of been blurring my work day together. I kind of talked about that on Instagram a little bit. If you are not following me on Instagram, I highly recommend it. I've been really active on my stories since all of this quarantining at home, and it's been super fun. So I recommend that you go follow me over there for more real-time updates, or subscribe down below for updates in my vlogs and any other videos that I post. Yeah, I'm gonna do my nails now. It makes me so happy. Like honestly, so happy to do my nails and just have nice freshly painted nails. Just like makes me feel good. It's like one of those little things, kind of like making your bed in the morning where it just makes you feel accomplished and like you have your shit together. For me, that's having nice nails. Let me know if you feel that way too. I don't know, it's just been something that is always really meaningful to me. Quick update. I put on a sweater earlier because I got cold. That's not the update I wanted to make. The update is I pulled out these 2 polishes from OPI from my drawer. Also been meaning to do a nail polish organizational video or just like organizing my nail polish. So I want to give you a tour of kind of like my collection, but also organizing it. I think that would be super fun, especially while in quarantine. So it's coming. I promise. You all told me in my 5 a.m. challenge video that you wanted to see it, so it's coming, but I can't decide which polish to put on. This is like a really light blue. It is called Mexico City Move Mint, so it's a minty shade, and then this one, which is coral, is called Coraling Your Spirit Animal. I think these are beautiful, especially in the light, although it's kind of getting dark. So I'm gonna quickly ask on Instagram stories which one I should paint my nails, and I'll let you know which one wins. All right, I posted on Instagram, time to check which polish won. I didn't look at it yet. Here we go. They're opposite. Okay, so 71% mint. Coral is still a really pretty shade, but it looks like I'll be doing mint today. Thanks for voting. Follow me down below. I just got off FaceTime with my boyfriend and he went for a bike ride. He wanted to show me where he rode his bike to. Now it's time to do laundry because I've been very behind on laundry, but I think it's gonna be really funny because all of my laundry is like sweatpants. But I've been not wanting to like re-wear clothes, especially if I go out to the grocery store or something. I will immediately take them off, put them in the wash. So now it's time to finally do my laundry. You can't see it. Ugh. It's way too full. I waited way too long to do this. I don't know why, I'm just at home. But time to sort and do some laundry. Laundry's in. I'm not really that hungry. Like I kind of had a late lunch and then I had another bowl of soup after, so like a little bit later. So I don't really know what to eat. I still have more soup, but I'm kind of getting sick of it at this point. But I'm not really hungry for a meal. So I think I'm gonna cut an apple and just kind of snack and see where the night takes me. I decided to buy these bagged apples from the grocery store when I went almost 2 weeks ago now, because I figured like less people had touched them at the store. But I'm still taking precautions, like wiping down the bag before I put it in the fridge, and I'm gonna thoroughly wash the apple now that I'm about to eat it. So I know there's different precautions, and I've been trying my best to do everything that I can, but I'm also not perfect, so I'm trying. Now I got my apple on my computer, and I'm gonna snack on this while I finish editing. You'd never believe it, but I'm still not done my work for the day. I'm almost done, but I just finished folding my laundry because I like to fold it as soon as it comes out of the dryer because it releases all of the wrinkles if you fold it while it's hot or like warm. And now I want nothing more but to go take a hot shower. I really wanted to work out today, but it's getting late. I still need to finish up my last deck and send it for review because it's for a meeting tomorrow. So I just want to take a hot shower, relax, and just like, I made most of my edits. I'm pretty much done. I just want to like look over with fresh eyes. So I like to walk away, go do something, and then come back. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna close out the night. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I really appreciate you watching and following along and subscribing. It really means so much to me when you subscribe to my channel. But anyways, let me know what your days are like during this current state of the environment. I hope you all are well. That is most important. I hope you are all safe. Anyways, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!